Where you see the word, it could mean something completely different than when you see it somewhere else. So, since we're talking about geography or Earth geography, here's what I want you to do. For each one of these words, and there's 4 of them, I want you to jot them down on your scrap paper, and depending on how well you think you already understand what this word means in terms of geography. Like if somebody asked you, why would this word be in your geography textbook? What has it got to do with the Earth? What is it? What do we need to know about it? What I want you to do is, if you think that you can already explain it pretty well, or you kind of have a good understanding of it, give it a 3 points. If you think you kind of sort of understand it, but you're not so sure you'd be able to explain it to someone else, give it 2 points. And if you've got maybe little or no idea, not confident at all of your understanding of what this term, how it's important in geography, I want you to give it 1 point. So just take a look at it. Don't think about it too long. Just take a minute to do this.
So just recommend.
Well, no. Just next to the word, just write a 3, a 2, or a 1. Like if you say, oh, Earth's revolution. Okay, I understand. I can explain that to somebody if they ask. Give it 3 points. I understand it. I can explain it. Or, I know the Earth has a tilted axis, has a tilted axis, but I don't really remember why that's important or what it means, what it does. I don't think I can explain that to anybody. So, give it 1 point. 1 point means I'm not very sure about it. 2's in the middle. 3 is I understand it and I can explain it right now. So when you add them all up, right? If you got 3, 6, 9, 12, the highest point total you could give yourself is 12, and the lowest would be 4. This is just by way of preparing us to start the unit, right? Just to show you,
what is A to C?
Where your focus is going to be. Oh, I haven't said yet. I'm just curious. This is just kind of for my own curiosity. Okay, you done? Add up points. Anybody have 12, 11, 10, or down to 9 points? Yeah. Anybody have 8, 7, 6? Yeah. Anybody have 5 or 4? I think it's probably your confidence level. I'm sure you probably know more than you think you do. Okay, anyway. So, in this unit 2, in the text, we're going to cover all this stuff. It's going to look a bit like your science course. All that solar system. That's straight into my brain. Okay. Discuss it amongst yourselves, and we'll just take a quick vote as we go through this quiz together. So, if white dwarfs is space junk, our solar system is filled with mysterious and often mind-blowing phenomena. Do you know asteroids from meteoroids and Venus from Mars? Test your space smarts and find out. So, what planet has the shortest orbit? Hands, please. What say you?
Mercury.
What say you? Mercury. Everybody else willing to go along with that? No firm opinion? Okay. The planet has the shortest orbit. Yes. Since it's the planet closest to the sun. Actually, read that for us, Aaron.
Since it's the planet closest to the sun, Mercury has the shortest orbit in our solar system. It takes the planet just 88 days to circle the sun, compared with Earth's 365. Pluto completes a revolution around the sun only once every 248 years.
All right. Next question. I had no idea about this. What was the first living creature to orbit the Earth? I thought I knew, but I was wrong. Laika, a dog. Albert the First, a rhesus monkey. Ham, a chimpanzee. Or Felix, a cat.
First living creature to orbit the Earth.
Anybody vote for Laika? Two people. Anybody for Albert the First? Two. Anybody for Ham?
Ham, 70.
Yeah. Anybody for Felix? What do you say, Melanie?
Before that.
Which one did you vote for? Laika? Laika the dog.
Before that, that's all.
Yes. Laika. So read that one for us, Melanie. Laika.
Laika, a stray Russian dog, blasts off aboard Sputnik 2 on November 3, 1957, becoming the first living creature to orbit the Earth. She lived for about a week until her oxygen supply was exhausted, and Sputnik 2 burned up in Earth's outer atmosphere in April 1968.
Aw, she didn't make it. Space travel, early space exploration was notoriously dangerous. I mean, it still is, but yeah. So, the first living being out into space didn't make it back. Oh well. Which planet in the solar system has rings? Melanie, you may nominate someone to answer the question that you answered the last one. Anybody?
Nice.
Nice. Which planet in the solar system has rings? Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, or all of the above? Which what? Say again.
Oh, I think the first one.
Saturn? Okay, let's see. So read that for us, nice. Though until?
No, until 1977 it was believed that only Saturn had ring. We now know that
Neptune?
Neptune, Uranus, and Jupiter also have these
Neat systems, yeah.
systems. Rings are made up of rocky and icy particles, ranking in size from dust to houses.
So the answer was all of the above. So Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings around them. And the particles, it says what? They range in size from the size of dust to the size of a house. That's a big range. All right, three more. Nice. You may nominate someone to answer the next question. Just back and forth. Revenge, yeah? Okay. What is a shooting star? A comet, a dying star, a meteor, or space junk? Everybody knows what what we mean by shooting star, right? You see them going across the sky. You may consult with your classmates, Mel. You may ask for advice. Okay, we got one shoulder shrug.
Usually hear that people would say in comments and videos and shooting stars when they're hurt.
This joke is also.
Yes, people mistake those as shooting star but hurt and actual shooting star or dying stars. Like hurt. Not sure.
It's either dying star or meteor.
Meteor. Let's go for that one.
Things dying star. Yeah, things dying star.
What do you think? Okay, let's take a vote. Dying star.
Not sure.
I think it's
Show of hands. Dying star.
I suppose.
Show of hands. Meteor.
You might
One. Mel's not even voting. Wow.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay, let's go for it. Read it, Mel.
A phenomenon commonly
A shooting star.
called a shooting star is actually the visual trail of the
Meteor.
as it enters Earth's atmosphere. Scientists believe that up to 10,000 tons of metal fall to the Earth every day, most no bigger than a speck of dust.
Right, so a piece of something, as it goes, it re-enters Earth or enters Earth's atmosphere, it heats up and burns up and it just flames out. So that's what a shooting star is. It's a meteor. 2 more. Mel, please nominate someone who is not nice. I mean, not the person nice. Anybody, except me. Aaron, okay. How many years will it take a spacecraft to reach the Kuiper belt?
How long is that ago?
Know what the Kuiper belt is? Well, we'll soon find out. We'll soon find out.
12 years.
Because it's the biggest one? Yep, that's the way I think.
29.
Oi. Okay, read it.
It will take spacecraft a minimum of 12 years to reach a Kuiper belt. An icy disk about 2.8 billion to 4.6 billion miles, 4.5 billion to 7.5 billion kilometers, away at the edge of our solar system. NASA's New Horizons mission is planned to arrive on this final frontier in 2015.
Okay, so it's already been traveling for quite a while then. Yeah. Okay, nominate your next person. Not nice and not Mel. Hinano, what is the largest moon in our solar system? You may discuss with your classmates. Ganymede, which is from Jupiter, the moon, Titan, or Phobos?
Titan. Probably Titan or Phobos. Yeah. Or Ganymede. But I will go for Titan to the standard. Buddhist one.
What's it gonna be?
Yeah.
So either Titan or Phobos or Ganymede. That narrows it down. What do you think? Just take a guess. Pick one.
Choose one. If it's wrong, never mind.
Yeah, it's wrong, never mind. Titan. Oh!
Oh yay, see? It's good.
So the diameter of 3,280 miles, Jupiter's Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, large enough to be called a planet if it orbited the sun. 3,000 miles across, Saturn moon Titan comes in a close second. So Titan is almost as big as Ganymede. Okay. All right. Good enough. So let's jump to the workbook. I think it's 2 pages. Page 5 and page 6. Take a minute, look those over.
Why is wrong?